Hey, good people, how are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. I got an unboxing. I got a reveal. I got a package from Shantae Gray. I know what it is. I received this late yesterday evening. I know I've got to open it right away because I know what it is. So let's open this and see so that I can show you and then figure out what to do after I open it. Oh, she used pretty tissue paper. Pink with glitter. Oh, a lot. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Oh. So these are, wow, banana pups. Okay, I've never seen these before. Don't know anything about them. I have to open them up. And so that's 3. And I'm sure each one's going to have to be in an individual pot. Here's what they look like before I take them out of the plastic. I'm not going to take them out of the plastic until I see how many I have and how many pots I need of soil. So this one has some foliage, and I think there's 2 in here. Tropical plants. You know I'm in zone 6A. And you're definitely going to have to stay in the house all winter long, and I hope I get some growth. Take them outside in the summer and bring them right back in each winter. I'm just trying to see how many I have in this one. Oh, she taped it up really good. Thank you, Shantae. Thank you. I appreciate you. I hope I have success with them. Oh, that's 1 that's in soil. Okay, that's great. Okay, so I have 4. Let me go find some pots and get my soil together and plant these. I'll be back. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to open these up, and they do have foliage on it, but it doesn't look very good. But that doesn't mean much. Let's see how she taped this so I can open them up carefully. And I washed out 4 small pots. We'll start with the small pots, and I'll plant them and put them in a sunny window, on a sunny windowsill. I'm curious and I'm anxious to see what they do. Whoa. Okay. I don't know if I should pull these off or not. I won't right now. Let's get them all open. At least out of 4, hopefully 1 or 2 will survive. Hopefully all. We shall see. They are wrapped tight, Shantae. You did a good job. You did a good job in protecting them. Oh. Wrapped with love, I see that. It looks like some great soil. Okay. Now I'm wondering if this is more than 1. It might be. Let's see. Oh, there's 1. I thought this was just soil. Not sure. It is. I think. Yeah, that's soil. So that's good. I read when up-potting them that you use some of the native soil. So that's going to work. That'll help. All right. So I've got some coffee filters that, these have a lot of holes in it. Put these coffee filters in here. Keep that soil in. And I have my soil concoction. cocoa coir, perlite, vermiculite, coffee grinds, grounded eggshells, ground shells, mussels, ground crab legs, ground shrimp, dried tea that I ground up, ground stems. So this is like a compost soil. Ground stems from herbs. All right, number one. Let's get this one in. I'm going to take some of this soil and place it around it. Although it's covered with the native soil, I'm still going to put some in here. And then top it off. So everything that I put into my soil mixture, I ground up. All right, let's pat it in there good. Add a little more. All right, that's one. Now keep it moving. I'll put some of this in the bottom. Two. Three. Let's do this last one. This one has a lot of soil on it. Use the rest of this soil, all of it. Let's top it off. Get soil contact, push it down real good. Okay. Now I'm going to give each one just a little bit of Epsom salt mixture for the transplant shock, hopefully to help with the transplant shock. Not too much, just a little bit. And water them in good. I'm not going to cut off the foliage yet. Let them sit here for a couple days or a week and see what they do. Okay. I am done. Wish me luck. Thanks again, Shantae. I appreciate you. That was very kind of you. Peace, love, toodles, y'all. Happy growing. I put them in a sunny window. I'll keep you posted.